Most people don't know how to use ChatGPT for job search. Want to learn? Let's start. 1. Optimize resume. Prompt. You are a professional resume writer specializing in. Enter your field here. Rewrite my resume to highlight my achievements and align it with. Enter your job title here. Focus on keywords from the job description and a modern ATS-friendly format. My current resume, insert your resume here. Highlight results prompt. Rewrite my resume to make it results-oriented and concise. Highlight measurable achievements using numbers, percentages, or metrics where possible. Here's my current resume. Insert resume text here. Target position. Insert target job title here. Executive resume. Prompt. As an expert in crafting executive-level resumes, tailor my resume to emphasize leadership and strategic accomplishments for an insert-specific role here. Use power verbs and quantify impact. My experience. Insert details. Desired industry. Insert industry. Targeted resume. Prompt. Turn my generic resume into a targeted document for insert-specific role here, in insert-specific industry here. Highlight my soft skills, technical expertise, and any certifications relevant to the job description. My resume text. Insert text here. Job description. Insert description here. Standout summary. Prompt. Act as a career strategist. Create a standout resume summary that captures my expertise in insert-specific skills, fields, showcasing value for insert-specific role. Include impactful achievements to grab attention. My career background, insert details. ATS Optimization. Prompt. Optimize my resume for an applicant tracking system, ATS, for the role of insert-specific job title here. Ensure it includes job-specific keywords, clear sections, and a professional layout. My resume draft. Insert text here. Fresh format. Prompt. Create a fresh resume format showcasing my years of experience in industry role. Emphasize adaptability, problem solving, and collaborative achievements. Provide a visually appealing yet ATS-compatible format. My details. Insert information. Hope you learned something. Practice it and DM us which one you like the most. Thank you. For more, follow Digital Learners.